Get to your yes quicker with impression signatures for Outlook. To get started, open any email with a document that needs to be signed or sent for signature and select the Impression tab in your ribbon bar. Let's select Settings first. Before using impression signatures for Outlook, you'll be required to sign in or sign up with your impression credentials. Here you can sign in with either your Microsoft or Google account that is associated with your impression account. Settings allows you to switch accounts, see your details, or should you wish to change any of these settings, you can link directly to the dashboard. Let's start with signing a document. To sign a document, start by selecting the Sign My Document button on the Impression tab. This may appear differently on different platforms. Next, select the attachment you want to sign. You are able to sign PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and even images through the add-in. Simply select the attachment, choose your brand, and select the Sign My Document button. Here it is important to note that if this is your first time using the add-in on Outlook Online, you will need to allow your browser to enable the dialog box to pop up. Not to worry, this is as simple as clicking the blocked pop-up icon in the search bar and changing it to allow. You will only need to do this once. Now you can select the Retry button and it will open a full screen page for you to sign your document. Follow the prompts as you usually would to sign and accept your document. Now you're able to get the same functionality as the dashboard from within Outlook. Here I'm just going to drop a signature tag before finishing and accepting. Once you've signed, it will process the document and give you 4 options: to download the document, attach and reply, head to the dashboard, or exit. Let's check out the new Attach and Reply feature. Select Attach and Reply. This will get your document ready and create a new mail which has been composed with the signed document already attached. You can now add any more recipients, change the body, or even add recently signed documents. The original sender will automatically be included in the reply, but you can always change or add as you see fit. Now you could simply click Send to send the signed attachment. But let's take a look at a feature which is unique to Impression Signatures. The Impression Signatures Sign tab, when you're composing a mail, is down below on the ribbon bar. You can simply select the eye icon and it'll open up all your recently signed documents. Now you can pick and choose which recently signed documents you want to attach to the email and add them with simply the click of a button. I'm going to add on a few documents to this email. The best thing about this unique feature is that you no longer need to search for your documents. They're all already here for you in Outlook, ready to be attached with the click of a button. Should you wish to sign more attachments, simply click the Sign Another Document button, which will take you back to the Sign My Document page. Choose the new document you wish to sign, your brand, and again Sign My Document. But let's take a look at the Send for Signature feature. I'm going to select it in the ribbon bar. Select your attachment, choose your brand, decide whether or not you want to add document security. I'm going to add a password to this one. Then you can choose to set a signing order or attach a chain of custody, and then add your signatories as you usually would. Lastly, click the Send for Signature button. This will send the attached document that you selected to your designated signatory. Once the document's been signed, you can choose to send another document for signature and it'll take you back to the Send for Signature page. If you want to sign a document before sending it on for signature, select the Sign and Send button in the Impression ribbon tab. Here, again, you will choose which attachment you would like to sign, select your brand, add any document security, and choose your settings. Then, add the required signatories. If you have an impression license, you can add a customized email body. Once you're ready, select Done, set your signing order or not, add more signatories, or just click the Send for Signature button. This will open another full screen page in order for you to sign the document. Since we allowed pop-ups earlier, you can see that we no longer need to do that step, and it will automatically open the window. Once your document is ready and set up, you can sign as usual, or should something change and you don't wish to sign it, you can click the X, because you can always select the retry button to do it again. Again, should you wish to sign any other attachments in the mail, select Send Another Document and go through the process again. Thank you for watching. Get to your yes quicker with Impression Signatures for Outlook.